Incentive structures are based on short-term goals rather than long-term goals. And there's an enormous amount of stress in terms of the overall profitability of retail banking. And that's one of the reasons why banking is undergoing a fair bit of turmoil. Two, opportunities are there in the banking industry. So Ravi Subramanian goes and commits a fraud in Bank A. Bank A identifies the fraud, does not report the fraud to Mr. Maria, but goes there and says, Ravi, look, we found this, you please go. We don't want to do anything with you. Ravi quits, goes to Bank B, commits a fraud there. Okay. Bank B calls Bank A to do a ref check. Bank A will, because it wants to protect its reputation as a good bank, says, yeah, he resigned and we let him go on his own free will. They will never convey the fact that he was sacked because he indulged in a fraud. Because of which, people who indulge in malpractices are going across banks and committing the same malpractice in every single bank that they go to. So so all these things, plus the short-term goal, even at the top, even at the head of retail bank or the CEO of a bank, where you only look at 2 years or 3 years of tenure, where ramping up revenues is far more easier than actually building a great business for the next 10 years. I think that perspective is also impacting the retail banking piece. I think to correct this, we need to go back to a good old day of traditional banking. If we do that, we'll all be fine.
So with this, we end our session. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming here for this lovely evening. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Mr. Maria.
Thanks a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we leave, let me thank the esteemed panelists. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time and joining us today. It was an absolute pleasure. And Mr. Ravi, we're going to have a book signing session with you at right next to the ABG hall. So kindly grace us. Thank you very, very much. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the last session for the Times of India Literary Carnival 2013 at this hall. Thank you so much for joining us. It wouldn't have been possible without your support and your love. But before we leave, let me thank our presenting sponsor, the Lodha Group, our studio partner, Aditya Birla Group and Yes Bank, telecom partner, Vodafone, bookstore partner, Crossword, partner for beautiful hair, Dove, Kids Session partner, HDFC Home Loans, partner in excellence, Brookborn Taj Mahal, a sound partner, Bose, hospitality partner, Trident, our partner, Montegrappa, Times Now and Radio Mirchi. Lastly, the Times Literary Carnival is an initiative by the Times Red Cell. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great year ahead and hope to see you next year. Thank you very, very much. This is your host, Akushak, signing off. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.
जहां अपने मन की कर सके चलो ढूंढे ऐसा कोना सबके सामने दिल को डर लगे जहां जाके दिल को पर लगे चलो ढूंढे ऐसा कोना चलो ढूंढे ऐसा कोना हो जहां शोर भी अपने दिल के सुर में फुर्सत के बिखरे हो